So, hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here, I haven't vlogged in a while. Oops. That's because usually I try to do outings, but due to the virus, a lot of the museums that I would like to go and show you guys are still closed. So, but today I have to go back to Orchard because I need to go to the Apple shop and I found a very old phone that I forgot the password to. So that is the only reason why I'm vlog that we're going back there. So we're waiting for the bus 21 and we're gonna change after the bus 3 because I need to stop at the library first, and I know there is a connecting bus from there to Orchard, so that's what we're gonna do. I think that's the fastest way. If not, if that is like, if it starts raining, we might just take the bus to the train station, but we'll see. Anything could happen between now and arriving there. So now we have arrived at the park. I've decided not go in to the library itself, but we are going to the 24 hours drop off around. So that's what we'll do. So this is what we're gonna do. Usually this like there you go. So the 24 hours usually is when I have to go somewhere further away. It is easier to drop off at the 24 hours than going into the mall itself. And as you've seen, most of the time it turns green when it reads, but sometimes it doesn't. But we get notified the next day when it's returned fully. That's good. So we are here and we are going to the Wisma Atrium first.
Thank you.
And then we are going to Neon City. That's what my plan is. I need to go to Dhaka. No, I don't know where I need to go. But yeah. So I meant to say we need to go to Kinokuniya, the bookshop, because I am looking to buy new books and wait for the vacation. So that's what my plan is. Before we head to the Apple shop, that is what we're gonna go do. So currently we are in Takashimaya. So we are taking a long way out. So we are currently in Dhaka. I got myself a new mouse because I needed it. Because currently I'm using the mouse pad on the computer and it's a little bit not really handy, especially when you're drinking. Sometimes the water like drops on it. So, and now I'm going out to look for swimsuits before we go to the bookshop. Then after the bookshop, we'll go look at other shops on the way to the Apple store. So that is my plan, and we'll see how much we can get done. So I am not finding what I want for swimsuits, which is fine. Now we are heading over to the bookshop, and I am very afraid it's gonna be very crowded inside. So if the line is too long to go in, I'll probably not go in and buy my books online and have it delivered. But so I found the Harry Potter books, and what is interesting is that all the books that if you want to buy are the house colors. So you have Ravenclaw, oh no, Slytherin, Hufflepuff, and Gryffindor. Isn't that neat? So you have the same books, like the Half-Blood Prince, in like 4 different colors. So yeah, well, we are out of the mall, so I'm gonna head straight to um, the Apple shop to like get. It's not like broken, but basically it's that it's an old phone. I don't know whether I mentioned it earlier, but it's an old phone, and I forgot the password to it, and I'll see whether they can help me like unlock it. I may not be using it as a regular phone anymore because you won't be able to be used as a regular phone because it's an iPhone 4. So that is the only reason. And I need a cup of coffee at least. I am exhausted. So we have about 2 hours to wait. It, the only reason for the 2 hours is due to because of the virus going on and how long that's one of them. And the second reason is for it takes depends on how long the customer takes inside. So that is why. So we are going to go to the 313 shopping mall to have a small bite because for the time 2 hours it's gonna be after like very late during dinner. So yeah. So I'm finally in the Apple shop. Um, I'm hoping the phone can be repaired because it is a really old iPhone 4, and if it doesn't, I might have to just change to a new iPhone.